Good day. This is Jackie Mattingly with Creative Bible Journaling. Today I'm going to show you a method of transferring an image into your Bible or journal called packing tape transfer. And it's best used when you want a glossy or glass-like appearance, which is perfect for this bubblegum machine that we are using in connection with the Bible verse Titus 3:4, God's kindness is not random, which in real life would have a glass globe and a high gloss enamel base. It's important that you have a laser print or photocopy and not an inkjet printer whose ink will bleed. Repeat, inkjet printer copies will not work. If you don't have a color laser printer, you can go to Kinko's, Office Max, or anywhere that does color copies. If you're going to do that, I would recommend arranging multiple sizes and even some flipped versions so that you have options once you start your project. The supplies and materials you're going to need to do this project is a laser print of the art of your choice. In this case, the bubblegum machine that the free printable is on creativebiblejournaling.com website with the tutorial. A pair of sharp scissors for cutting it out. Some packing tape that is wide enough to cover the entire art in one piece. In this case, I was able to find some extra wide. A dish of warm water, and either a Bible or art journal to put it in. Rubber cement, you want to make sure that it's acid-free and photo-safe. And it needs to be thin. So you need a new bottle. I would always buy the smallest bottle of rubber cement that I can find so that it is used up before it gets thick and gooey, or pass it on to the kids or grandkids and get yourself a new bottle. There are two tips that I always use when I'm doing a page. One is always highlight the verse that the illustration goes with, because more than once I have done an illustration and it was on the wrong page. If you're going to do it with a colored pencil, you put a darker color down and then you do a lighter color in the opposite direction, and it'll blend your colors and make them look smoother. Also, do your word layout before you do your art. That way you'll know that your words fit the art properly. To get started, you need some packing tape. I found this extra wide 3-inch tape since my illustration is larger. You're going to want to make sure and leave a buddy tab so that the next time you go to use your tape, it's not dramatic. Trying to get it started again. Little tab there. You're going to want to take your tape, line it up, but starting in the middle, lay your tape down and smooth it out in both directions. You can already see the nice glossy shine that the packing tape gives it. And we're going to cut it out. You're not going to leave a border around it, just cut it out exactly where you want it. Okay. Now you're going to need a bowl of warm water, and we're going to soak it for just a minute. On 20-pound bond, you can see that it starts to curl right away. It's regular copy paper. You start to gently rub it. See how it starts rolling up? That's what you want it to do. At this point, you want to get some fresh water. You can still see, because the dish is black, you can still see how much white fiber is showing. And once all the white fiber's gone, it'll look dark. Since the dish is black, I can see where there's still fiber better than if it was white. The object of getting rid of the paper is to make it thinner and more lightweight so it's not so heavy on your page. But you can see the color's still good. And at this point, it's as thin as a piece of tape. Towel and get rid of the moisture and also roll up a little bit more of the fibers. You don't want to go so far that you start rubbing the toner off of the tape, though. Okay. That's just about perfect. Okay. It's a little wider than the margin. So I can cut it off from this side, or let it go across. If you don't have dark outlines, you can actually read through it. But this obviously has dark outlines, so I think I'm going to cut it off right there. Okay, that's just about right. Like I said before, it's important that your rubber cement be thin so that it doesn't have any lumps under the packing tape. Well, it helps to put a darker piece of paper under your page so you can line up the art on the edge. It's important to be careful putting it down, but with rubber cement, if it squishes out, all you have to do is let it dry and it'll roll up off the page. And I'm going to go ahead and finish up the art. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure and like and subscribe to our channel below. We have a great resource site for Bible journaling at creativebiblejournaling.com, where you can find a pre-colored version of the gumball machine used in this video.
We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and now you can click on the following buttons to subscribe to this channel, to watch more videos in the series, visit the CBJ website, or watch a video in a different series. Now you can find us on our website, Facebook group, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube.